Classical conditioning is a type of learning that occurs when a neutral stimulus is repeatedly paired with a stimulus that naturally produces a specific response. Over time, the neutral stimulus comes to evoke the same response as the natural stimulus. This type of learning was first described by Ivan Pavlov, a Russian physiologist, in the late 19th century. The basic elements of classical conditioning are unconditioned stimulus, UCS. This is a stimulus that naturally elicits a specific response without any prior learning. Unconditioned response, UCR. This is the natural response to the unconditioned stimulus. Conditioned stimulus, CS. This is a neutral stimulus that is paired with the unconditioned stimulus to produce the same response. Conditioned response, CR. This is the learned response to the conditioned stimulus. The classic example of classical conditioning is Pavlov's experiment with dogs. He paired the sound of a bell, CS, with the presentation of food, UCS, to elicit salivation, UCR, from the dogs. Over time, the dogs began to salivate, CR, in response to the sound of the bell alone, even when no food was present. Classical conditioning has many real-world applications, including in education, marketing, and therapy. For example, advertisers use classical conditioning to create positive associations with their products by pairing them with positive stimuli. Therapists may use classical conditioning techniques to help individuals overcome phobias by gradually exposing them to the feared stimulus in a safe and controlled environment.